Let's talk about inflammation. Everything that is bad in the body is somehow related to inflammation. Aging per se is inflammation, but also arteriosclerosis is inflammation, cancer is inflammation, and infection is inflammation. So whenever we do something against inflammation, something anti-inflammatory, it is good for us. This could be, physical activity, exercise. This could be a healthy eating style. But this could also be, and that is one of the strongest anti-inflammatories that we have in the moment, an exchange of the gut microbiome. Because the gut microbiome ages with us and its anti-inflammatory capacity decreases with age. So if we rejuvenate the contents of our belly, if we turn the microbiome again into, turn the composition again into the composition that we had when we were young, we have very high anti-inflammatory properties here inside, in the internalized environment. And these anti-inflammatory microbes, they help to fight autoimmune disease, to fight arteriosclerosis, to fight diabetes, to fight heart attack, to fight stroke, and even to fight cancer. So this is a completely novel and revolutionary therapy. It has different aspects. It is epigenetic around the gene. It has a good influence on our gene activation. We go back in time and reactivate, repair genes of our younger adulthoods. It has a good effect on our immune system, because the gut is also the school of immunity, where our immune competent cells, our defender cells, learn how to fight against invaders. And it's also good for the heart and the brain that are refreshed, because the beneficial bacteria in the gut produce a lot of hormones, vitamins, mediators, messengers that are necessary for brain function, for heart function, for function of all organs actually. So in the moment, this is the hottest topic in medicine. There are different routes to rejuvenate the microbiome. That is the overall composition of all beneficial bacteria that are living on and inside our body. First is the oral route, but that is quantitatively limited because I cannot administer enough material. Or there is a technical route with an endoscope, like you would use for a colonoscopy. Or there is a quite simple and well-probed route that is using a retention enema with a very thin tubing that is inserted rectally. There is no discomfort, there is no pain, and we can deposit huge volumes of 160 milliliters of culture medium containing billions of fresh cells, bacterial cells, and they form a new balance with those bacterial cells that we already have. Now, where do the bacteria come from? We use for this, we have a group of very well examined, very well known young donors between 18 and 25 who all qualify for this role of donor by being super healthy, super slim, athletic, and in a very good mood. And they also must be willing to be regularly tested and also to be regularly interviewed, so that we know them like adopted children.